This conference will now be recorded.
So hello, good morning, welcome back. Yeah, so we are working on Kubernetes, right? So we have one concept which is rolling updates and rollbacks that we complete today. So with that, we are going to complete Kubernetes. Kubernetes is not completing. So we have second project also, Kubernetes project is there. In that also, we do some activities, right? Yeah. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us go and start our Minikube server. So everyone configured, right? Minikube. Any challenges, anyone? In cloud, you configured, right? Cloud server. Yeah. So today's concept here is rolling updates and rollbacks. So here manifestation file required. So basically, what is rolling updates? Anyone having idea? Rolling updates, patches, right? So normally for servers, monthly patching will be monthly patching is the activity, right? So the same way in containers also we update the patches. Just a minute.
For hyper case sensitive. Pseudo hyper I case sensitive. Then
Sorry, real time. Contain how many applications that we generally deploy?
On container, right? So microservices normally on single container we can deploy number of applications. It supports. So same way server in server, how many applications we deploy? The same way. But so based on the configuration only, it supports, right? Right.
These are some endpoints which are in containers. Maximum number of containers are.
Okay. So you're asking a number of applications, right?
Number of containers, part.
How many containers you can host in the single pod? So I'll show you in GUI 110 pods based on the capacity. Yeah, 110 pods it will support. So you can increase the pods also. More than also you can increase, but backend some process will be there. I'll show you. While working on GUI, I'll show you. Right? Yeah. Now, so today's concept here is rolling updates and rollbacks. Right? Yeah, rolling update means updating patches to the container. Rollback. What is rollback? Yeah, whatever version we updated, right? So if any issues happen with that, we can roll back to previous version. We can bring back to original state, right? For example, so this is one of the container, right? So this container is having different applications like Nginx and also HTTPD and also yeah, different applications like hello application, right? So this container having 1.14.0 version. For example, 1.14.0 is available here. We installed that latest one, updated, right? So one more update is released. Okay, so 1.15.0, 1.15.0 released recently, right? So without any downtime, on the fly, we can update this latest version to the container. Rolling updates normally without any downtime. Even though developers, testers, they work on the container. They are working on the container. So without any notifications to anyone, without any downtime, we can update the versions here, right? So when we update this version 1.15.0, so the updates will be available in the container, right? So automatically it will be reflected. So once we update that, if any issues are there in the container, if any issues are happening, so simply, very simple way, we can roll back to original state. So previous version will come. So that is nothing but revisions. You can say revisions, right? How to check the revisions, how to roll back to previous version, we'll try to understand, right? So this is a entry question. What is rollbacks? What is the rolling updates? What is rollback? Rolling update means so we can update container version without any downtime, right? So rollback means when you update any latest updates, the issues like in the updates, any issues are there, you can simply roll back to previous state, original state. Right? Yeah. Now let us go and work on this. So for which we required one manifest file. Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Yes, Ram. If, like without downtime, we can upgrade the version. But in real time, if you are doing it in production environment, there should be a downtime, and in out of business, we will do it in the weekends also, and this has goes on approval.
Normally, server level we take the downtime, but container level we no need to take any downtime. We don't require any downtime, so we can quickly update and we can leave as is. No need to reboot anything. That is why we are going with we are using containers currently, right? So virtual environments, what are the drawbacks? Deployment time, downtime is high, but the container side, no downtime. Downtime is not required, right?
Someone is already working on current version, it is like 14.
Hmm.
So by the time they reply 15, so more it will be affected.
Nothing will be affected. So automatically it will be upgraded to that. Nothing will be affected. Application will not be down anywhere. Okay. So reflections reflect that reflection will be happen immediately. The changes will be happen, right? So developers, testers, they will not be impacted with this. They will not get any issues. Okay. Yeah. Now let us go to console. Control Z to stop this. Clear the screen. Right. Now this is the manifest file which I prepared for the rolling updates. Right. So see here, image version is 1.7.1. API version apps v1, kind deployment, metadata, name rolling deployment, spec. First spec is containers, 3 containers, 3 pods, not containers. Selector, yeah, these are the things. Okay. Now copy this. VA. So rolling deployment.yml. Rolling icon deployment.yml. Paste here. Rolling deployment, right? So this is the image version. This version we upgrade. Okay. Escape, save and quit. Now, once we save this, next one we can deploy this. We can apply this deployment. Okay. So command here is kubectl apply space -f space rolling deployment.yml. Right. So now I'm creating some pods here. The connection to the server was refused. Okay. Yeah, we have to start Minikube, right?
So that is the latest version, 1 to 18, or complete version. Yes.
18 is bit water version, stable version. Yeah, done. Kubelet is now configured, so now it is enabled. Okay. Now I want to deploy this. Now it is created. So deployment is created here, right? So once we deploy this, now if I check here parts, kubectl, get PO or parts, anything. So here these are the parts. Now I deployed one part, one deployment, right? This is the deployment. Rolling deployment. 3 parts are in this, 3 parts are there. 0 by 1. So it is showing 0 by 1. It is being ready. It is, these are creating now. Now these are ready, right? Yeah, 3 parts created here. Fine. Now, if you want to check full information about these parts, kubectl get parts or PO space -w. You can use wide. Yeah, so we get this information like this. Control Z. Yeah. Now what I will do here, I want to check the history of rolling deployment. So I want to check the history of rolling deployment. So for which what I will do, kubectl a rollout history, rollout history deployment slash rolling hyphen deployment. So I want to check the history of the deployment here. Okay, see here. So currently, when I check this history, this is the first revision. One revision is there. One revision. Revision means one version is there already, right? So if you want to check this version, okay, so what we will do in this revision, what is the version is available? If you want to check, what we will do, the same command kubectl rollout history deployment rolling deployment space hyphen revisions revision equal to 1. So this is first revision, right? Revision 1. Enter. See here. Now the image version is 1.7.1. Current version is 1.7.1. Image version is 1.7.1. Now what I will do, I want to deploy. I want to deploy some version. So if you want to deploy version, the command here is kubectl. I want to upgrade this version. Current version is this one. I want to upgrade to 1.7.9, latest version, right? So if you want to upgrade the version, kubectl set image deployment slash, can you mute everyone? Rolling hyphen deployment.
Amansan logo kena.
Now what I'm doing, I'm upgrading this version, right? So kubectl set image deployment slash rolling deployment space nginx equal to what I'm doing here, nginx colon 1.7.9. So here it is 1.7.1. Now I want to upgrade to 1.7.9. So this is the command kubectl set image deployment rolling deployment nginx equal to nginx 1.7.9. Fine. Now space hyphen record, right? So if you execute this command, what will happen? This version will be upgraded. So here one more revision will be added. So currently we have one revision, means one version. So one more revision will be added here once we execute this command, right? Now enter this. See here?
What is the record?
Yeah, record means it will be saved. That will be saved, right? See here. Deployment apps rolling deployment image is updated, right? Now if you check this, revisions history, if you check history, see here second revision is available. Earlier only one revision here, but now second revision is available. In the second revision, what is the version? 1.7.9. So if you want to check second revision history, right? So what we will do? Yeah. So revision equal to 2. I want to check this. See here. Now image version is 1.7.9, right? So here earlier 1.7.1. Now it is 1.7.9, right? So once we upgraded version, if you face any issues, how can we revert this? Yeah, so currently we are using second revision. If you want to revert to first revision, simply you can revert to first revision, for which we use undo command. One undo command is there, right? So once we revert that, one more revision will be created, third revision. Now clear the screen. So currently revision 1 is this version, right? Revision 1, and the revision 2 is this one, latest one. So currently we are using revision 2. Now what I will do, I want to revert to revision 1, right? For which command here is kubectl rollout undo space deployment slash rolling hyphen deployment, right? Now if you hit like this, it will revert to previous one, or else space hyphen hyphen 2 hyphen revision 1. So normally in real-time projects, we'll be having different revisions, and like 10 to 15 revisions will be there. So which revision you want to revert, you have to give the revision here. Okay, revision equal to 1 actually. So currently I'm using second revision. I want to revert back to first revision. When I revert back to first revision, this will be updated back to 1.7.1. Enter here. See here, a rollback. This is a rollback. Now if you check the history, yeah, now third revision also available here. So earlier second revision, we used second revision, right? Now third revision. So in the third revision, previous version will be currently revert back to previous version, right? So clear the screen. Now we'll check it out. If you give to third revision, not like this. So what is the version now? Third revision, latest one. Latest one is 1.7.1. Right. So we have 3 revisions available here. So if you check the history, 3 revisions are there. In first revision, 1.7.1 is there. Second revision, 1.7.9. Again, we roll back to previous revision, 1.7.1. This is third revision.
Which means there is one latest revision will come to know which is being used.
Yes, latest one only will be used. So now if you check here history, see here, these are the 3 revisions. First one is gone already. Second one, third one. So third one is the latest one. The second one, 1.7.9. Third one, 1.7.1. Currently we are using this, right? So very simple to execute this commands. It is very simple. So in simple way, we can use this upgrades in real-time projects. Clear, right, everyone? Any questions here? Yeah, so with this we have done almost all the concepts. So while working on second project, again we come back to Kubernetes. In that GUI second project, so I show you some few more activities. Okay. Yeah. Now what we will do? We start Google Cloud today. We start Google Cloud. So GCP introduction today. Okay, so tomorrow, day after, and yeah.
When
it will take-
when are we going to start Azure?
Yeah, once complete the GCP will take 4 days only. After that, we'll start Azure. Okay. Yeah.
This Friday classes is
Friday, we'll update you. I'll update. Yeah. Fine. So introduction to GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So overview. Yeah, here agenda is what is cloud platform, what is Google Cloud Platform, various cloud providers, why GCP, GCP services, regions, zones, and resource scope, right? Yeah, what is cloud computing? Again, we back to basics, right? What is cloud computing?
Provisioning.
Yeah, it is a on-demand availability of computer system resources, storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user, right? What does it mean? We discussed already in AWS, right? Yeah, so currently we are using cloud platforms, right? Because, for example, there is no cloud concept. So all the devices, all the servers we are using in physical data center, right? Whatever servers, switches, routers, load balancers we are using in local data centers, right? So when we are using in local data center, so we will be having full access to the resources, right? So we can control the resources, we can take the control, we can we can access the resources, right? So that was the case few years ago. However, with the introduction of cloud, so everything has been changed now, right? So our infrastructure no longer sitting inside of our local data center, right? So rather it is being offered by as a third party vendor, which is AWS or GCP Azure, right? So whatever servers, whatever networks, whatever switches we are using in cloud, for that usage we have to pay the bills like gas bills, electricity bills. So hourly basis, it's kind of renting, right? Yeah. So cloud platform will support database security, remote access, reduced cost, right? Fast computation, dynamically scalable, right? So these are the things available. So benefits of cloud computing. First one is cost. What is cost? Whatever we use the services for that usage, we pay the bills, which is nothing but pay as you go, right? So on demand. What is on demand?
Increase or decrease.
Yeah. So for example, if I require one server, that should be available immediately. That is nothing but on demand, right? So broad network access, we can access from anywhere. Whatever servers we are using in cloud, we can access from anywhere, right? So performance, right? So GCP is maintaining very good data centers. Backend, they have very good hardware. So when they have very good hardware, definitely performance will be increased. For example, in your laptop, if you have CPU, i5 CPU, and RAM 24 GB RAM, and also hard drive is 5 TB hard drive, for example. So definitely performance will be high. The same way, so when the data centers are having very good hardware, definitely performance will be increased, right? Whatever services we are using, those services performance will be high. So scalability means scaling. Whenever need the services, we can scale up. Security. So when we talk about security, so GCP is giving, they are maintaining very good security to protect the customer data. So what is the Google Cloud Platform? What is Google Cloud Platform? So basically, what is Google? Search engine, simply, right? Yeah. So what is Google Cloud Platform? So Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services and management tools offered by Google. This is a platform, right? Cloud platform. Why Google Cloud Platform? What are the features? What is the importance here, right? First one is community support. Google is giving very good community support. Whatever products they are releasing, they give very good support here, right? Second one is cost effective. Compare with all other platforms, like all other platforms. Compare with AWS and Azure. So Google is bit cheaper, services wise, bit cheaper. So flexible. So when we talk about services, all services are flexible here, right? Scalable. We can scale up the resources. Reliable. So reliability is more important here. Every platform they are maintaining very good reliability. So if the reliability is reliability means normally what is reliability?
Dependable.
Yeah. So if the, for example, one customer is there, is using platform. If the reliability is not good, what they will do? Eventually, they switch to other platforms, right? So reliability, security, these are very, very important things, right? Security also, right? Next one, fully managed. So whatever services we are using in cloud, those are fully managed, right? Fast. So services wise, GCP is giving very good services here, right? So those are very faster. Yeah. So cloud computing market. So till 2018, the CAGR growth rate is like this. CAGR. What is CAGR? CAGR means compound annual growth rate, right? Yeah. See here. So up to 2021 is the CAGR 12.5%, right? Yeah. So here Google Cloud Platform Services, compute services, networking services, cloud AI services. What is AI? Artificial intelligence services, big data services, storage services. Okay, let us go one by one. First one, compute services, compute engine, app engine, container registry, cloud functions. Different services are there here. So those are compute services. Networking services. See here, cloud virtual network, cloud load balancing, CDN, cloud interconnect, cloud DNS. These are the networking services. Next one, AI services. These are the AI services which are available in the GCP. Big data services. Normally, data engineers will work on this, right? So, database engineers they will work on these services. BigQuery, Dataproc, Pub and Sub, Data Flow, Data Lab, Genomics. These are the big data services. Yeah. And also storage services. These are the storage services: cloud storage, cloud big table, cloud data store, cloud SQL, persistent disk. So this disk we use for servers. We attach to servers in GCP. Other services. See here, these are all other services. Security tools, developer tools, management tools, different tools are there. So cloud locations. These are the locations: 24 regions, 73 zones, 144 edge locations, 200 plus countries and territories available currently. So these are the regions and zones. So whatever blue dots are there, these are the current regions. Whatever white dots are there, those are future regions, right? This is network, Europe and the US across the globe. Yeah, products available. Yeah, available by location. So these are the products available by location wise. So in America's region, these are the data centers available. America's regions. Yeah. So compute engine. So it will be, yeah, it is available in all the regions. Oregon, US Oregon, Los Angeles, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, right? So in US, all the regions, this service is available. This is the first service which is compute engine. In AWS, we have EC2, right? The same way compute engine here. Okay. So app engine is not available in Oregon. So Kubernetes engine is available in all the regions, and the cloud functions not available in Oregon, and the cloud run is not available in these 3 regions. Okay, like this. Region-wise services will be available. Next one, Europe regions. These are the Europe regions. Services-wise, these are the services available. Okay. So app engine is not available in Netherlands and Finland. Right. So cloud functions not available in Netherlands and Finland. So region-wise services will be available. Next, APAC region. So these are the regions: Mumbai, Singapore, Jakarta, Hong Kong. These are the regions. So computer engine is available in all the regions. So app engine is not available in Singapore and Taiwan. So like this, right? So next one is multi-region. This is important. Why we require multi-region? Customers will choose multi-regions because if any service is not available in one region, they can access from other region, right? Multi-regions. Next one, global products, globally accessible products. So these are the networking products, data analytics, right? Machine learning products, management tools, operations, developer tools, different tools are there. So mission types, these are the mission types. So in AWS we have T2 micro, T2 nano, T2 large, right? The same way here, N1 standard 1, N1 standard 2, N1 standard 4, like this. These are the types of missions. So another type of missions, high memory servers, right? Next one, high CPU servers. Next one, AWS versus Google Cloud Platform. So costing wise, services wise, so we can check the difference here. See here. So comparison pricing. So 2 CPUs, 8 GB RAM in AWS, $68 per month. But compare with GCP, $50 only. In GCP, so $50 only. So costing wise, GCP is less costing, right? Next one, market share. So here AWS is providing 100 services minimum. Next one, in GCP, so they are providing 60 services, right? Yeah, so here AWS, in AWS, right? So almost all services are free for 1 year, 1 year free. But here in GCP, they are providing $300. Within that dollars only, we have to use the services, right? Next one, largest instance offered by AWS. So 128 CPUs and 4 TB RAM. But GCP, 160 CPUs, 3.75 TB RAM they are offering, right? So comparison miscellaneous, right? So telemetry better in Google, good in AWS, and application support good in Google, better in AWS. So containers better in Google, good in AWS. Geographics good in Google, better in AWS. So these are the things available. Yeah. Now how to create GCP account? I show you now. Okay. How to create GCP account? Google Cloud Platform account. So we'll try to understand. So you can create account today. So tomorrow we work on console. How to create VMs in GCP, how to connect VMs and storages, networking, right? We'll see.
So this PPT you will share.
I'll share with you document, okay. PDF document. Next one. How to create this account, GCP account. Cloud.google.com. Just go to cloud.google.com. Before that, you require one Gmail account. Okay. Now, see here, get started for free. Get started for free. Click on this. See here, now it is showing $300 free, right? So this is 90 days only, not 1 year. GCP is giving 3 months only without any charges. So after that, they will charge something, right? So $300 they are giving. Within that only, we have to use the services. Country, you can select country. Yeah, here you need to select personal. Don't select other one, personal project, or else any other also you can select. Don't select business. Okay. Yeah. So select here. I have read and agree. Check this. Click on continue. Ask you to provide phone number, email address, whatever your information. Ask you to provide and go next. End of the page, it will ask you to provide the credit card details, credit card or debit card details. So you have to provide that information, bank details. Otherwise, account will not be success, right? Once you provide account details, after that, once you submit that, so GCP account will take minimum 2 to 3 hours to activate. Okay. So once it is activated, now what you will do, console.cloud.google.com is the URL. Enter. This is the, here you can select your email address. Yeah, this is my Google platform account, right? So click on select your project, whatever project you have. This is my cloud platform. So here we have services, different services are there. Compute engine, if you want to create instance, you can go here and you can click on VM instance. So nothing is there here. You can create instance here, right? So tomorrow we'll work on this. First we walk through console tomorrow, and after that we create some resources tomorrow, and how to create server, how to connect server, how to deploy the packages, right, in GCP. So we'll try to understand. So meanwhile, I can create a account. Right? Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Can we see the billing section in Google Cloud? It will update
Yes.
instantly, or
Yes, we can see. This is the billing, right?
after 3 months we have to close this account and we have to create new account?
Yes, yes. After 3 months, if you want to convert into pay as you go, you can convert, or else you can close this and you can open your account. Fine. Yeah. So meanwhile, you can create a one account today. So tomorrow we work on this. We create some servers and we walk through the console. Fine. So GCP will take 4 days. After that, we'll start Azure. Okay. Azure also will take 4 days. After that, we work on general questions. What is ticketing tool? What is leave management system? Different things. So after that, once complete that, we work on projects. Roles and responsibilities also. One session will be there. After we work on 3 projects. So finally, we work on Python scripting basics. Right? Yeah, mostly
How much
this
time each
one,
project will take, Ram?
same one first project will take 1 hour 15 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes. That is enough. Right? Second project will take 1 hour. Third project will take 1 hour. Okay. First project only will take 15 minutes extra, 15 to 20 minutes extra, because completely CI/CD flow, right?
Are we going to cover the pipeline creation also, Ram?
Yeah. So in CI/CD project, we are going to cover, we are going to discuss all the pipelines, right? And the roles and responsibilities. In roles and responsibilities session also, we discuss about pipelines.
Okay.
I show you from scratch. How can we build them?
Scheduling also.
Scheduling laws. Right. So we stop here. You can create one
Ram,
account
do
today.
we have session on Friday?
That I update tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I update. Fine. So we stop here. Fine. Yeah. Thank you all.